3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, rock. 5, 6, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, rock. 9, 10, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, rock. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. What you right song? Join me home. Have some fun when the clock strikes 1. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. We're gonna rock, rock, rock till the world daylight. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight.
Go. Looks.
Still blurry. Blurry.
How blurry?
It's okay, just go. Go.
Go.
Site, open site.
Oh, the plate's gone.
Hey, your plate fell.
The plate's gone, look at it.
Hit.
Dude, I can't hit it. Got it, finally.
Nice! Hey Nick, you gonna go online today? Oh wait, oh never mind, sorry.
Some rapid fire, okay?
Alright, well, it's Darian.
Hey there.
And we're walking up 100 yards to get the target. You know, I made another video like this. And I kept pointing it at the ground like that.
Oh yeah.
It sucked. Whoa, dude, this thing is blurry.
We're at Little Creek. The whole thing just closed. Tired. We broke the rod. We broke our targets, our steel targets that my dad
Broke
made.
the gun.
Broke the gun, yeah. Or almost did.
Dude, we did like full auto. We didn't even touch. Oh yeah, we touched
Oh
it.
yeah.
Wait, is that
Except-
even ours?
Yeah, this is ours. I don't think you don't want to see our fail target. This isn't the one. We are never aiming at this except when we're spraying. Ow. Oh, Nick.
You okay? Sorry, you okay? Oh. Making YouTube cry now. Okay. I want to go see that bowling pin, dude. I shot at a bowling pin.
So did I. And I did it. Nick just doesn't want to admit it.
I totally ripped a hole through that thing. I told you I hit it.
Where?
That is totally 308 shot right there at the bottom.
Yeah. No, that wasn't you.
And
That was me.
That okay.
This one was
This
me.
was me.
This was me.
Once I clipped it right here.
No, I shot it from an angle and it came out the other side. Duh.
It was standing like this.
Think about it.
How is that an angle when it's perfectly over there straight?
No, it wasn't even like that. It was like this. See, it came
No,
out
it
the
wasn't
other
because
side.
when I was coming.
That's why the bullet isn't really like that. It was like this.
That is 308, dude.
This wasn't us.
Well, that's inside a bowling pin. This is wood. Just wood. Alright.
Sparta!
Let's go home now. So I can go home and talk to you know who.
Your boyfriend?
Your boyfriend.
Boyfriend, Chad?
Ew, no, that kid's a faggot.
Isn't that like dead or something like
This thing is real blurry, dude.
Sorry for the racism. I'm just saying.
Yeah, he is a cracker. Cracker, please. This thing's blurry.
Ow, I hit my head. Dude, look at his nasty earplug.
Yo, man.
Nasty.
Look at yours.
Yeah, they're
Yeah, no.
They're
The
freaking clean.
earwax plug is.
are clean.
Shut up. The earwax
Yours is
goes.
orange.
The earwax goes out with the color.
No, your
Look,
earwax
they're
is
orange. Earwax is orange.
Look.
That is disgusting. Ew, that's like
Nothing there.
gunk.
Nothing.
Gunk in your trunk.
Nothing there. I made $1 because some dude didn't bring water.